Where would extraterrestrial life come from? Extraterrestrial life could come from exoplanets, which are planets outside our solar system. Scientists search for exoplanets in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist, which is essential for life. They use telescopes to search for specific chemicals in the planet's atmosphere that could be produced by living organisms or look for radio signals or other signs for intelligent life. There are many different environments that could potentially support life. The search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing and holds endless possibilities for discovery, but it will take a long time. These are current potential habitable worlds in our solar system, and they're more important than others. And here it's telescopes that they taking a picture from space. Highly recommended to talk about different temperature, gravity, light, water, and atmospheric conditions on the planet. Kepler 22b is an exoplanet located about 600 light years from Earth. It is about 2.4 times the size of Earth and orbits in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could exist on its surface. The temperature on Kepler 22b is estimated to be around 22 centigrade, which is similar to the temperature on Earth. However, the gravity on Kepler 22b is much stronger than on Earth, which could have an impact on the atmospheric conditions and the potential for the life to exist. The composition of the planet's atmosphere is still unknown, but is it thought to be either predominantly hydrogen and helium or have a significant amount of water vapor. Further studies needed to determine if Kepler 22b could support life as we know it. How does the search for extraterrestrial life work? It involves searching for life forms using telescopes, spacecraft, or other instruments. For example, we may be able to observe signs of microbial life on Mars through rovers or orbiters. Chemical biosignature. This method involves searching for the chemical signature of life in the atmosphere of exoplanet. For example, scientists may look for the presence of oxygen or methane, which could be a sign of life. Radio signals. This method involves listening for radio signals that may be emitted by extraterrestrial civilization. The Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute uses radio telescope to listen for signals from space. Space missions. This method involves sending spacecraft to other planets or moons to search for signals for life. For example, NASA Mars rover mission are designed to search for signs of microbial life on the red planet. Meteorite analysis. This method involves analyzing meteorites that have landed on Earth for signs of microbial life or other organic molecules.
Extraterrestrial life does exist, it might have a genetic makeup entirely distinct from that of humans. DNA, which consists of the four nucleotides adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, it's the foundation of life on Earth. Extraterrestrial life may, however, be based on entirely new biochemical processes, or may use a different genetic code with a different set of sequences. It's possible that aliens have a variety of reproductive methods that they can use to reproduce. Some might procreate sexually, like many species on Earth, while others might procreate asexually by building fragmentations on other processes. They might even have completed unimaginable different reproduction techniques, which is another option. Given to the wildly different environmental conditions that life may have been involved in, it is excitingly unlikely that they shared their own DNA. Even if life from another planet had DNA, it would most likely not be identical to ours because it involved involved very different from life on Earth. Scientists and scholars have been puzzled in the interesting subject of how aliens might communicate. It is logical to presume that alien life would have some sort of language or communication system, as communication is a crucial component of any sentient species. Aliens might communicate in a variety of ways, depending on their biology and surroundings. They may, for instance, utilize sounds to communicate, much like how people speak, or they could use signs of language or visual cues. It is also conceivable that extraterrestrial life uses electromagnetic waves, sonar, or other communication methods. Whether aliens would have accents in another extensive topic, accents which can differ greatly even within a single language, are productive of how people learn how to speak their native tongue. It is feasible that aliens don't have accents in the traditional sense, yet they communicate differently from humans. Finally, but not least, linguistics and anthropologists continue to disagree about the beginnings of language on Earth. Language most likely developed gradually over time as early humans created basic communication mechanisms and built up on them.